Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are looking at the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. These drones offer features like 8K cameras, GPS positioning, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and long-range transmission. If you're planning to buy a drone for aerial photography, travel, or professional content creation, this video will help you choose the right one. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. D12 GPS Drone 8K. The D12 GPS drone comes with an 8K HD camera, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, touchscreen remote controller, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and a foldable design. The D12 is a strong all-rounder drone. The 3-axis gimbal provides smooth and stable video footage, which is important for cinematic shots. The touchscreen remote controller adds a premium feel and makes navigation easier, especially for beginners. GPS positioning ensures stable hovering and accurate return-to-home functionality. Pros: stable 3-axis gimbal, touchscreen remote controller, good GPS accuracy, beginner-friendly. The D12 is a great option for users who want advanced features like a 3-axis gimbal and GPS at a competitive price. Number 2. P7 Max 8K GPS Drone. The P7 Max features an 8K camera, up to 20 km digital image transmission, a remote controller with built-in screen, GPS, optical flow positioning, and brushless motors. The standout feature of the P7 Max is its long transmission range. While real-world performance may vary, it is designed for long-distance flying. The built-in screen controller eliminates the need to connect a smartphone. It is suitable for users who want extended range and advanced specifications. Pros: long transmission capability, built-in display remote, strong GPS stability. The P7 Max is ideal for users who prioritize long-distance flight and premium remote features. Number 3. LYZRC L600 Pro Max. This drone includes a 3-axis PTZ gimbal, 8K wide-angle camera, 5G FPV transmission, GPS positioning, follow me mode, and brushless motors. The L600 Pro Max focuses on aerial photography. The wide-angle lens captures more landscape detail, and the 3-axis PTZ gimbal improves video stability. GPS features like Follow Me and One Key Return enhance ease of use for beginners while still offering creative flexibility. Pros: good stabilization, wide-angle camera, smart flight modes. A strong option for vloggers and content creators who want smooth footage and useful smart features. Number 4. M66 Folding Drone. The M66 comes with an 8K camera, 4.5-inch screen remote controller, optical flow positioning, 25-minute flight time, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors. This drone is designed for convenience. The built-in screen makes setup simple and user-friendly. Optical flow positioning helps maintain stability at lower altitudes or indoor environments. Flight time is reasonable for its category. Pros: built-in screen controller, easy to operate, decent battery life. The M66 is a good entry-level drone for beginners who want simple operation and basic aerial photography features. Number 5. S-X1 Max GPS Drone 4K. The S-X1 Max features a 4K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, 5 km digital transmission, large-screen FPV remote, GPS positioning, and return-to-home function. Although it offers 4K instead of 8K, the 3-axis gimbal provides more realistic and stable footage. Stabilization is more important than resolution in most cases. The 5 km transmission range is practical for most users and reliable for outdoor flying. Pros: true 3-axis stabilization, reliable GPS features, balanced performance. If you prefer stable and usable video over high marketing numbers, the S-X1 Max is a practical and smart choice. That was the top 5 best drones on AliExpress 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments which drone you would choose. See you in the next video.